When you analyse someone's night out, you tend to realise how alcohol and music play a very similar part, and they make you act very differently. After analysing, you also realise how similar your night is to someone else's. It's 11 o'clock at night, I've been in this line for 2 hours, it's 4 degrees, and I'm in a shirt. But you know what, I'm going to stick it out because it shows perseverance, plus that chick with a great pair of shoes is working tonight. Now, when you get into a nightclub, you start feeling confident, you start feeling really good about yourself, and your body starts moving and making gestures which, without music, could be classified as inappropriate. For example, the classic crotch thrusting. With music, it's fine. Take that music away, doesn't seem right, does it? But what we'll do is reintroduce that music, and it's fine again. Now, also when you go out, you seem to come across that one person who you know is on a substance of some sort. They tend to be in the middle of the dance floor, dancing by themselves, and they perceive the music completely differently. For example, they can perceive the music like this. And they have a particular dancing style as well. It's very much like this. Now, we ourselves also get to a point of the night where... Hang on, sorry, I'll just be one moment. Now, you get to a point where you yourself start feeling really good. The music starts taking over and you start looking really sexy. The music starts to slow down just for you and you start making some really nice moves. Assuming your night hasn't ended up in the toilet, you're just about ready to go home. And two signs of a very good night are, of course, the forever faithful headache, and of course, the world's greatest pee. My name's Tim Mack, and that was my demonstration of a night out.